Worried about high electricity bills? Your electric geyser is silently burning your monthly budget. Save up to 70%. Watch how. Here's how it works. The fan inside the heat pump pulls in warm air from the surroundings. The refrigerant inside absorbs this heat. A compressor squeezes the refrigerant and raises its temperature. That heat is then transferred to your water stored in the hot water tank. And just like that, you get hot water using far less electricity. Save every month. Switch to Ambient 60, your life partner in saving money.